हाय फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि आप लोगों ने सजेस्ट किया था कि दैट यू वांट टू सी द वीडियो ऑफ ज्योमेट्री ऑफ क्लास 9, so I have prepared a video for you all on the topic lines and angles, that is chapter 6 of class 9 maths. So before we jump into the video, I would like to request you all to just subscribe my channel and do share it with your friends and like my video. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video.
Today we are going to do class 9 chapter lines and angles introduction. आज हम समझेंगे the type of angles. Though we have already done this in class 7 also, so let us just revise the type of angles we have and that we are going to use in this chapter. So first type of angle is adjacent angles. So as you can see the diagram that I have made, the angle 1 and 2 are adjacent angles. So why these are adjacent angles? We have 3 points. Just to have the adjacent angle, the two angles should have common vertex. They should have common arms, and the non-common arms should lie on either side of common arm. Either side of common arm. What do we mean by all these points? So as you can see in this angle 1 and 2. So you can see that angle 1 and angle 2 are sharing the common vertex. So what do we mean by vertex? Vertex is basically the corner of our angles. Okay. So in angle 1 and 2 we have a common vertex. If I name it as A, B, C and this as D. So my common vertex between angle 1 and 2 is B. Then the adjacent angle should have the common arm. What do we mean by the arm? So when we are forming the angle, arms are basically the rays which forms the angle. Like this is the arm and this is another arm. So these are called the arms of angles. So the common arm between these two angles are arm BD. Then the third point is non-common arms should lie on either side of common arm. So what do we mean by this? अगर हमारा जो common arm है, हमारी non-common arm के एक left side में होनी चाहिए और एक right side में होनी चाहिए. Isn't it? So this is the arm which is common among both of them. These are the non-common arms. This is non-common arm and this is my non-common arm. Okay. And as I told you, this is my common arm. So non-common arm should lie on either side of common arm. Common arm के एक non-common arm left में होनी चाहिए and एक right में होनी चाहिए. So which is also there. We can see that arm AB and arm BC are non-common arms and they are lying on the either side of common arm BD. I hope this is clear till here. Let's move on to the next type of angle, that is linear pair. So what are linear pair? Linear pair are basically the pair of adjacent angles. These are pair of adjacent angles in which the non-common arms are opposite rays. Non-common arms are opposite rays. So you can see that here the common arm is, we have A, B, C and D. So here common arm is AB and the non-common is BC and BD. So as I have mentioned in the definition, non-common arms are opposite rays. So you can see that non-common arm, one is going in this direction, whereas another is going in the another opposite direction. So that's why we call it a linear pair. Along with this, linear pair of angles always has the sum of 180 degree. Okay, since we know that on the straight line, sum of all the angles is 180. So on the straight line, if two angles are formed, those are called linear pair and their sum is equal to 180. Next is the type of angle which are vertically opposite angles. So these are the angles formed when two lines, angles forms when two lines intersects, two lines intersects, and these are the these lies opposite to each other, opposite to each other. Like here you can see that 1 and 2 are vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. So here 1 and 2, they are lying opposite to each other. When these lines L and M are intersecting at point O, so 1 and 2 are lying opposite to each other, hence they are vertically opposite and they are equal as well. And likewise, are adjacent angles, linear pair, and vertically opposite. In this way, I have explained all three of you. I hope you like the video. Do like, share, and subscribe if you like this video.